and welcome to 10 days of Christmas. So, in case you're wondering, I know you're wondering, what is 10 days of Christmas? Well, I'm going to be uploading a new video each day for 10 days straight, starting now. So you can be excited. Are you excited? I am. I have so many awesome videos in store for you guys. So, on the first day of Christmas, ChantayLainey gave to you her 2016 favorites. Na 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 na, and a partridge in a pear tree. So let's get into it. The 2016 is coming to an end, and I really want to just come and show you guys a bunch of products that I really enjoyed throughout the year and that I just love. So we're gonna start with makeup because I love makeup. So the first thing we're gonna start off with is a foundation, and this foundation so this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and you guys know they have a matte version to this, but this one is where the money is at. So this foundation is a drugstore foundation, and it is only $11 or $12 depending on where you go, plus tax, that is. So when I was in Sephora trying to get a new high-end makeup, I wanted a dewy foundation, and the attendant was like, listen, save your money and get this. She ain't never told me anything better. When I try it, find your shade and try it. There is nothing, it's just so good. Like the finish, your skin still look like skin, but it just look like healthy glowy skin naturally without anything else. Like, favorite. I got this highlighting palette and I am in love with it. So this is the Loreal Baked Gellato Swirl Illuminator palette, and it has 3 colors in it. Whoops, it even comes with a brush. So it comes with a brush, which is a little sponge brush, so it's not really that great. It comes with Peach Glow, Gilded Honey, and Ballerina. You guys, if you watch YouTubers religiously, everybody talks about what is the name? Gilded Honey. L'Oreal Gilded Honey. Like everybody. And I always wanted to try it, but it's $40 for one. And I not money. I got that truth and talk it loud. I'm not very rich. I'm not rich none tall, but very rich. Hear me? So I was doing some research because I really wanted to get some new products when I went away on my trip. And then I found that they had this exclusive palette in Nordstrom where you get 3 of them and it's only $30. So I was just like, but that means I may pay $10 for one. I had to get me it, and trust me, I don't regret it. I don't. $30 well spent. It was so good. Comment below your favorite highlighter because I'm always on the hunt for highlighter, you know. Like, no joke. No joke. Like, so next up is this Cami Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Dubai Days. Now, if you know me from high school or not, I've been obsessed with lip gloss. Obsessed. Like, my nickname in high school used to be Lip Gloss Queen and Flowers Girl because I used to wear flowers in my hair all the time and my lips were always popping. Like, Lil Mama made that song for me, fam. Me. I was obsessed with lip gloss, and then I got on this whole liquid lipstick train, and then I got these, and I just remembered why I did love lip gloss so much. Like, this is legit the perfect nude lip gloss. It's shiny, but it's not shimmery, so it doesn't have like flecks of glitter or anything like that in this one. It's just, I'm gonna insert a photo and show you guys what I'm talking about. Like, this lip gloss, fam, get you some. And then the final makeup product that I have is a makeup brush, and this is the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush, and it is no stretch. When it's an ultimate blending brush, it's not an exaggeration. I've never had a brush that blends so easily and flawlessly. Like, if I do my contour and I go like this, bam, 2 strokes, my face blended. It is amazing. So I'm on a hair journey right now. I really want to see if my hair can grow that much longer because, I mean, it didn't take that long to get to here, and I really want to see how far my hair can can grow. So I got some products that would promote growth, and I'm really not that great with my hair in terms of care because I'm just too lazy, in all honesty. So I got these products that are, it's a Shea moisture product, and it's the Jamaican black castor oil strengthen and grow line. And I have the shampoo, the shampoo, the conditioner, as well as the leave-in conditioner. So yeah, my hair really does feel a lot softer since I started using these products as it relates to strength and growth. I'm not really sure which part would dip on the part because I haven't really measured my hair or anything like that. Moving on to skin products, and this year I really wanted to try and get my skin to a nice state where without makeup I could still be as confident with makeup. Yeah. So I don't know why my clothes. I'm not a little girl. I'm a clothes. So one day while I was curling my hair with a curling wand, the iron fell on my bosom and just like burnt me like all on my bosom right here, and it was tragic, and my skin taking long to heal, so I would have had the scar for like a bajillion years. So my friend got me this, which is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Daily Skin Therapy, and it heals, softens, relieves rough and dry skin, and it's 24-hour moisture. This I used it every single day, morning and night, after I got that burn, because I really didn't want a scar on my bosom. Like that not cute. That no. So I used this every day, maybe about 2 weeks until the scar was until the scab was gone. And the scar that is there is so light, like you can barely notice it. And I'm telling you, if I never use this, you don't see one big black chop on my bosom, because yeah, when I get cut, my skin unforgiving. Like, and then my scars take forever to fade, like forever. So it would have just been there for eternity. But this saved my life. So on my hunt for clear skin, I found some products that really helped to get my skin closer to where I want it to be. And that is these bad boys. This is acne.org, and it's a 3-step system that you use, and blah 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 blah. I'm not gonna get into the details in this video because I'm gonna be uploading a video soon on my skincare routine, and it may or may not be one of the videos for my 10 days of Christmas. Who knows? You just have to wait and see. Make sure you see though. No, just wait. Make sure you see. So these bad boys. So these are literally my all-time favorite skincare products. I've never enjoyed using skincare products so much ever. So my last favorite item that I have to share with you guys is my Tabata Timer app. And this is just an app that I downloaded off the Google Play Store. But it really helps in getting my workouts where I want them to be, because it times your workout session, your rest period, your recovery period, all of that, so you can stay in line and get where you want to go, get to your goals. And me jump carnival next year in Jamaica, and me need for art. God no. So this app really helps me to keep in line. So comment below some of the things you guys do to get fit, to stay fit, or get in shape, because we need help. Trust me, we need help. And if you're gonna be jumping carnival next year, comment below, let me know too, so member can see you on the road. Hey! Those are all my 2016 favorites that I have to share with you guys. Comment below your 2016 favorite. Maybe I can try them out and they can be my 2017 favorites, and maybe other persons can see and try them out as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you're excited for day 2, because I am, guys. I have so many awesome videos in store for you guys. So many. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Turn notifications on so that when I upload tomorrow, that you can know. You can be on the money. Let's get it. So tune in tomorrow for day 2. So I'll see you guys there. Bye. If you enjoyed watching that last video, then you should definitely check out some of my other videos. I have a bunch of them uploaded on my channel, so click one of the links that you're gonna be seeing somewhere here, and it will take you to my channel where all my videos are. Be sure to subscribe if you do like what you see, and follow me on my social media platforms. It's ChantayLainey anywhere you go, so I'm so easy to find. So I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.